So today we're here to look at this installation that we've been involved with the ACMS. John got us involved in the project probably about 6 months ago, and he went through all the design constraints in the building, which is obviously the ceiling voids are small, and wanted our advice on how to the best design an air conditioning system to overcome the problems here.
The building, when it was first designed, wasn't designed for air handling or air conditioning, so at the last minute it was decided that we needed to relook at the requirements for the client.
So the main challenges, there were quite a few on this project. Obviously the rooms weren't quite designed with our services in mind. So the space restrictions predominantly were the biggest hurdle to overcome.
Because of the ceiling constraints, we looked at the new SHRMU system, which has multi-boxes, so you can control 4, 8 and 12 fan coils off one floor box. Much smaller footprint in the ceiling, so you've got less space needed.
CDL is one of our suppliers, so we get the Toshiba equipment from CDL through John and Chris will do a lot of design together when we get from the start of the job all the way through to the end. And like I say, we've worked with CDL for many years and they're a fantastic company.
Yeah, I've done 2 training courses at CDL, so this job we're literally putting in exactly what I've been trained on. So it's been good to put theories into practice, to get hands on with this equipment. It's obviously high quality equipment, so it's been really good.
There's been a lot of problems on here to try and solve, and there's always been a solution to do that and get to where the client needs to be, which is important.
The job itself, like I said, started off pretty challenging. It was quite a slow start because we were having to use design drawings that weren't exactly going to fit and different things like that. But as we got ourselves into it, it came on really well.
So I'm most proud on the install that we've basically achieved what the client thought was possibly impossible at the beginning of the design phase. Through lots of hard work, lots of consultation between the manufacturer, ourselves and the end user, we're obviously being able to deliver a great job, really high standards, and achieving exactly what the end user requires.